Listen is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, this is Daisy. Let me introduce to you the installation and use of the EMI-9KB EMI receiver system. The following is the video catalog. 1. Packing list. 2. System wiring. 3. Software operation. 4. Maintenance. Please check the packing list when you receive the shipment. The whole system contains 4 boxes. 1 box is the EMI receiver. 1 box is the LISN artificial network. 1 box is CDNE coupling decoupling network. The last box contains 3 isolation transformers. Other accessories include 2 coaxial cables, attenuators, RS-232 communication cable, RS-232 USB converter, sample connection wires. There is also a plastic bag in the package that contains a CD, calibrate certificates, and guarantee cards. There is software, user manual, operation video and related standards in the CD. This video only explains how to connect the EMI system and how to use the software. The customers need to refer to this figure to build the lab. For detailed information, please refer to our manual and corresponding international standards. Connect the EMI receiver to the computer via RS-232 cable or RS-232 USB converter. Connect the power cord to one of the small isolation transformer. Only one of the LISN artificial network and CDNE coupling decoupling network need to be connected in the one single test. Connect the power cord of the LISN artificial network to the big isolation transformer. Connect the sample to load. This is the LN line switch. Use the attenuator and coaxial cable to connect the LISN artificial network to the EMI receiver. Conducted interference of some samples may be relatively high. The attenuator is used to protect EMI receiver. Connect the AE port to the big isolation transformer. Connect the sample to the EUT port. Use coaxial cable to connect CDNE coupling decoupling network to the EMI receiver. No need to connect the attenuator for CDNE. Please note that the big transformers supply power to the sample via LISN or CDNE. So please equip with appropriate power sources according to your samples. Connection sequence, power source, the big isolation transformer, LISN CDNE, the sample. Connect the power cords of the computer and its monitor to the other small isolation transformer. Copy all the files in the CD to the computer. Install the software. The EMI receiver can be connected to the computer using the RS-232 cable or the RS-232 USB converter. The driver of the converter is in the small CD and the small CD is in the box of the converter. Confirm the COM port in device manager of the computer. Double-click to open the software. Click OK to enter the main interface of the software. Manually select the correct communication port. The unclickable gray buttons on the software navigation will become clickable if the communication between the computer and the EMI receiver is good. Select or add test standards. Scan parameter, normally just use the default settings. Select or add the correct attenuator being used. Select the curves to be displayed. The standard lines displayed on the software interface are QP and AV limit lines. Click Scan to start the test. The actual curves tested are PK and AV curves. After the scan is over, the software will prompt a message. If the measured AV line is lower than the AV limit line and the measured PK line is lower than the QP limit line, the sample meets the standard. If the PK line is higher than the QP line in some frequency ranges, we need to do final test to confirm that the sample meet the standard or not. Click Final Measure. Automatically test at most 20 points QP value. The red X points are the final QP value. If the QP measured values are lower than the QP limit curve, the sample meets the standard. Otherwise it does not. After scanning and final test are finished, you can click to print the test report. The red data in the table is the point where the QP value exceeds the limit curve in the final test. There may be a high peak pulse when the sample is installed, turned on, turned off, and disassembled, which may damage the device. The operation steps before the test must be in the following order: connect the coaxial cable, attenuator, to the EMI receiver, connect and power on the sample. Connect the coaxial cable to LISN or CDNE. The operation steps after the test must be in the following order: disconnect the coaxial cable from LISN or CDNE, disconnect the sample. If you want to turn off the system during the test, please click the software stop to stop the test first. Remove the sample, follow the above steps. Then turn off the system. Thanks for watching.